Then another important concept, type conversion. Okay, type conversion. So we already seen there are 8 data types in Java, primitive types. Okay, we have seen 8 primitive types. Integer, 8 primitive types in 4 groups. Okay, 8 primitive types in 4 groups. Integer, float, character, boolean. In integer, 4 data types. In real, that is float, 2 data types. In character, 1 data type, char. Then in boolean, 1 data type is boolean. So type conversion means converting one data type into another. Okay, converting one data type into another. Okay, so if the two types are compatible, then Java will perform the conversion automatically. Okay, if two types are compatible, then Java will perform the conversion automatically. For example, it is always possible to assign an int value to a long variable. Okay, assign an integer value to a long variable. Okay, it is automatic conversion. Okay. So not all types are compatible. Not all type conversion are implicitly allowed. For example, there is no automatic conversion defined from double to byte. Okay, there is no automatic conversion defined from double to byte. But it is possible to obtain a conversion between the incompatible types. To do so, we must use a cast, that is type casting. Type casting is to perform an explicit conversion between the incompatible types. So there are two types of conversion. One is automatic conversion and another one is explicit conversion. Automatic conversion, another one is explicit conversion. If two types are compatible, then the automatic conversion will be performed. No problem. Example, int value, for example, and assigning an integer value to a long variable. Okay. So converting data types between the incompatible types, then we need type casting. Okay. So automatic conversion is also called as widening conversion. Explicit conversion is also called as narrowing conversion. So automatic conversion means we know automatic conversion means converting the small data type to large data type. Converting a small data type into large data type. Here we are not losing any value. That is automatic conversion. But converting the large data type into a small data type, in this case, we are losing some value. Okay. Because the long data type is 8 bytes. We are storing the 8 byte value into 1 byte value. Okay. Then we are losing some value. Okay. So that is narrowing conversion. Okay, that is narrowing conversion. Okay, I will show an example. conversion.java. Conversion.java. So int a equal to 10. Long L equal to a. Double D equal to 200. Byte B equal to, okay, here two conversions. One is converting A to L and another one is D to B. Okay, so A is an integer variable, L is a long variable, D is a double variable, B is a byte variable. The size of the integer is 4 bytes. The size of the long is 8 bytes. The size of the double is 8 bytes. The size of the byte is 1 byte. So in this conversion, there is a long L equal to A. Here we are converting the small data type into large data type. So this is actually widening conversion. Okay, this is widening conversion. This Java will perform this conversion automatically. Okay, because we are converting the small data type into large data type. But here double D equal to 200, byte B equal to D. Okay. So here we are converting the large data type into small data type. Here the double D and byte B are incompatible types. Okay, so it is narrowing conversion. Okay, Java C conversion dot Java. Sorry, file name is mistake. Okay, Java C convert C. Okay, dot Java. A is already defined in main function. So here also A. So I change this argument. Okay, Java C conversion.java. Here byte B equal to D. This is possible loss of precision. Required byte found double. So here B and D are incompatible types. So Java will not perform this conversion automatically. So it needs type casting. So what is syntax of type casting? Okay, syntax type is very simple. It is byte of. Byte B equal to byte of. Okay, so let's say this. Then Java C. Okay. Now, okay. So you print this value. The value of value A, then plus value B. Or value L. Converted value. Value L, value. then Java conversion. Java C conversio.java. So here it will print 10 minus 56. Okay, 10, then minus 56. So actually the value is 200. But the value byte, it will accept only 127. Minus 126 to minus 126 to plus 127. Okay, so after 127, it will take the value plus minus 126. So the value is minus 56. Okay. Okay. So here we are losing some value. So this is called narrowing conversion. This is widening conversion. This is automatic conversion. This is explicit conversion. Okay. Do you have any doubts about type conversion? Please ask. Type conversion and casting, automatic, widening,
So-
explicit. Yes.
So essentially, like while converting, if we convert type from a smaller type to a larger type, for example, if something occupies 4 bytes and we convert it to something that is occupying 8 bytes, then we will not have any major problems. But if we want to do it the other way around, we need to use proper type conversion conventions, and we need to proceed with that.
Yes.
So
Yes.
like that is why we are getting the, like in this situation we were getting minus 56 as output, although like because of the because of going with
because the maximum size of the byte is 127.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.